Hi guys, here's a quick review on this Chihuahua Beanie Baby 2006 Punchline the Chihuahua plush. Chihuahua dog plush. And without further ado, let's get into the review. Here's the hang tag. It's a little different than usual. Pretty nice. Here's the tag like this. Pretty cool. This is an online exclusive plush. This plush was not sold at retail stores. Yes, this is an online exclusive plush. Which, that makes sense because I think this is an April Fool's plush. I'm pretty sure this is an April Fool's plush. I don't know, we will find out when we open this tag in a little bit, but I'm pretty sure this is an April Fool's plush. Anyways, here's the tush tag right here. Punchline, and the back reads, Copyright 2005, Thai Ink, PE plastic pellets. Pretty nice. And here he is like this, pretty nice. Pretty cool. Here's the ears. There's the tush tag. Let me set the camera down. Let me show you what the hang tag reads. Alright, it says Punchline, date of birth, April 1st, 2006. Oh yeah, what did I tell you? I was right, this is an April Fool's plush. I'm funnier than all the rest. I just love saying things in just what's my best joke. I will agree. I'm really a Great Dane, you see. That's pretty funny. And spoiler alert, there is a Great Dane plush made by Thai. It's Titan, and that one was released in 2005. Yep. I did a review on that one. So if you want to go check that one out, yep. Yep, go find my channel and because yeah, I did a review on that one. Titan the Great Dane from 2005. Anyways, here's the review on this plush. It's got the little gesture hat right here. Pretty nice right here. This plush is like giving me like Mardi Gras vibes. Don't you think? Like, look at this. It's got this collar thing right here. Like, it kind of looks like this plush is like giving me like Mardi Gras vibes. That's pretty cool. Plastic eyes and nose. There's the mouth right there. Pretty cool. The ears. The bottom of the feet. There's the feet right there. Pretty cool. Here's a little tail right there. Pretty nice. Here it is up top. And then the bottom. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. And like this. And like this. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. There's the feet with the stitching right there. Pretty nice. Here's the tush tag again. Now I'm not too sure why it says 2005 right there on the tag, which given the fact that this plush came out in 2006. So I don't know why it says 2005. For some reason, I don't know why it says 2005 on the tag for some reason. That's weird. Anyways, it's fine. Anyways, here he is like this. Pretty nice. Let's show him down to eye level. Pretty nice. Down to eye level. Yeah, pretty cool looking plush. This Chihuahua dog. Very nice. Pretty cool looking. Very cool. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 2006 Punchline the Chihuahua dog plush. Alright guys, bye.